Ramadan, a time of spiritual reflection, self-improvement, and devotion. But it's also a time when many individuals seek to improve their physical health, including weight loss. While fasting during Ramadan can be challenging, with proper planning and mindful eating, it's possible to lose weight while observing this holy month. Here's a guide on how to lose weight during Ramadan. 1. Start your day with a nutritious and filling meal. Incorporate complex carbohydrates like whole grains, protein-rich foods like eggs or lean meats, and plenty of hydrating fruits and vegetables. 2. Hydration. Stay hydrated throughout the night and during non-fasting hours. 3. Iftar. Break your fast mindfully with dates, water, and a balanced meal. Fill your plate with lean proteins, fiber-rich vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid fried and sugary foods. 4. Physical activity. Incorporate light exercise into your routine after iftar. Even a short walk or gentle stretching can help boost metabolism and aid in digestion. 5. Snack wisely. If you're hungry between meals, opt for nutrient-dense snacks. Choose snacks like fruits, nuts, or yogurt to keep you satisfied without overindulging. 6. Mindful eating. Practice mindfulness and gratitude during meals. Take your time to chew your food thoroughly and savor each bite. Be grateful for the nourishment you receive. 7. Adequate rest. Ensure you get enough sleep and rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. By following these tips and making healthy choices, you can achieve your weight loss goals while honoring the spiritual significance of Ramadan.